Did you hear about the new Unison Bass Dragon? Well, I hope you didn't because it's a joke. Bassline being good depends on the rest of the track, so the rhythm of the drums, how they are being played, the style, the chords that are being played, and the rhythm. So you just can't select a scale, hit the dice button, the random button, and just hope that it sounds nice. That's not it. However, if you're looking for a plugin that kind of helps you make better basslines, you can check the Mixed in Key Captain series, which is a whole bundle that costs half the Unison Bass Dragon. They are 5 plugins all interlinked with each other, and you're actually making music that makes sense, so
chords that make sense with the melody, melodies that make sense with the chords and the bass and the drums, etc. So
that's kind of a no-brainer. And the great thing is that the whole bundle costs half the Unison Bass Dragon, and it also doesn't look like you found it in an Easter egg.
And you know what? Whoever is promoting this bullshit doesn't even know how to produce or is just accepting the real big bag that Unison throws at creators.
And I'm saying that because
Do it! Just do it!
I promoted a couple of free tasters from Unison, nothing like that bullshit, just only free stuff, and the amount of money they pay creators for doesn't make sense. It's probably the biggest way to earn money by making educational content and promotion on Instagram in this niche. And the video I made for the Unison free chord pack, it's actually cool. It kind of teaches you how to make samples that you resample so you have that old school sampling feel, so go check it out. So your money, your choice.